Following the footsteps of generations, the shepherds of Nepal embark on a journey through the rugged landscapes that define their way of life. Nestled in the majestic embrace of the Himalayas, these intrepid souls navigate treacherous terrains and conquer towering peaks, guided by their ancestral knowledge and unwavering resilience. With their flocks by their side, they traverse winding mountain trails, where each step resonates with the echoes of their forefathers. As they meander through verdant valleys and ascend to breathtaking heights to the pasture land, they witness nature in its purest form. The high Himalayas, pasture land, waterfalls, and vast meadows become their canvas, and their every movement becomes a symphony of survival and harmony. Their bond with their animals is profound, rooted in a deep understanding of the interconnectedness between humans and nature. They share a language of trust and companionship, a silent conversation carried through the valleys and peaks. Together, they face the challenges of unpredictable weather, navigate encounters with wild predators, and tirelessly seek nourishing pastures. In an ever-changing world, the shepherds of Nepal embody a way of life that transcends time. They are guardians of a cultural heritage, preserving ancient traditions and wisdom. They epitomize resilience, adaptability, and a profound respect for the land that sustains them. As their footprints blend with the rugged earth, they leave behind a legacy that speaks of harmony, simplicity, and the unbreakable bond between humans and the natural world. Through their enduring spirit and their connection with the majestic landscapes of Nepal, the shepherds inspire us to tread lightly and embrace the beauty of simplicity.